Alright, so welcome to a little video I made called how to record other little video on a phone. First of all, you're going to want to hold your camera like that, nice and horizontal, because it's better. You're getting vertical, I know that's bad, you don't want to do that. If you record vertical, it looks something like this. This is not the desired effect. No. When you record vertically, like the bus do, it looks something like this. Much more desirable and much more enjoyable content. So for this next part, you see how there's a door in the frame restricting part of the view, making part of the viewing screen purposeless. The little trick is push something like the door away or like a side of a wall, move away from it, and take a step forward, so you have the full viewing frame is something that adds to this view. You got a shot of the dragon, but you can't really see what they're doing. If you move the camera to the side, you can see what they're doing. It's better watch.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you thought it very insightful and educational on how to record with a phone.